Hey guys, welcome back. This is the Fever here, and today I'm going to show you what I purchased at a recent train show. I may or may not have stated by the time this video comes out that I went to a train show last weekend, but here it goes anyway. So the first and the smallest thing I got by far was this little itty bitty loading dock by Plasticville, and I think Plasticville is owned by Bachman, but I picked that up just for $2, and for now this is actually where I've been setting it on the layout. Alright, now for the next amount of money, it was only $3 for this, and it was a simple 40-foot Tyco Boxcar with the brand of Purina. So like when you get your dog food. You didn't know, now you know. Decently free rolling, and I'm just gonna set that one over there for now. Alright, next I got an Athern. I believe it's a kit built, but it is a Union Pacific Fruit Express. So the glare's kind of bad right now, but it is a reefer. You can see the equipment below. It's very well detailed. If you guys know if it's a kit build or not, you can tell me, because I'm not the keenest at telling these things apart yet. But let's see, too many details that show that it is not, or is. Alright, so it's got metal axles but still has plastic wheels. Let's set this one on the track here. Send it. How did it manage to do that? Holy cripes. Alright, must not have been on the track right. It about went careening off the edge. Now this time. Alright, it's on the track. It's fairly free rolling. Pretty sure you guys saw that. Alright. Alright, could you stay over there for now? Thank you for coupling up. That was scary. Next, also another Athern pickup for, I guess, these two, I don't know if I said it, were $5. This one is a Southern Pacific Hydro Cushion. And that's just a bit for my finger. So I just grease for my finger. Again, plastic wheels, metal axles, Katy couplers. I believe this weight is added in extra, but it does have dual sliding doors, and I think most of the time it'll have its doors either cracked open or something on my layout. But we are also going to try to send it that way. There you go. Okay, it's also coupled up now. Now, that one was a 45-foot boxcar. I don't think I mentioned that. If I did, sorry. But this one is another 40-foot boxcar, and it is from Roundhouse, and is from, as you can see, Trains Magazine, 35 years, from 1975. And it does have all metal wheels. These screws, I don't know, earlier I thought they looked mismatched, but I guess they're okay now. It does have Katy couplers on it. The painting is a little sloppy, but I think this one was $10, I think. But, I mean, I had to do it, but all metal wheels on this one, so. I also don't know if the doors do open. They're very stiff, and I don't want to destroy this one. Yeah, I don't know if these ones opened. I already tried, and I don't think they're opening that well. Ooh. Right. Let's try. There we go. Send that one over there. Okay. Now, for this next one, this will actually be a future review product here. Let's see. I'll get that all in shot. There we go. The Proto 1000 series 60-foot thrall door boxcar. Got get against the glare here. You have Sacramento Valley Molding Company. I'm assuming that's what it says. Yep. All the box details, and I think on this side it's marked as 10 just in pen. So I got this one for $10. Came with the box and everything. Lifelike. Yep, there's all the stuff. I'll try to review this one. I've never actually had any Lifelike products, so this is my first one. And we're just gonna set that one back there. Just smidgen shot, actually. Now for this next series here. There you go. All right, this one, with these, There are going to be quite a few here in quick succession, because if you know, I have these two Athern blue box. Slowly pull another shot here. F7 units. Pull it the rest of the way. I have these two F units, and of course I wanted something to go along with them. And I'm pretty big fan of the Milwaukee Road, as you guys know. So I thought that I would get not just one, not just two, not just three, but here's the last one, 4. There you go. Milwaukee Road heavyweight passenger cars from AHM. I picked all of these up for $7, and I will do a further, I guess, not full review, but like thoughts on kind of thing, because these things are very high quality, and I guess I'll go into more detail for that. They don't have an interior on them, but still look very nice. So now I am going to show off something else I got at the train show here, but I have it more secretly hidden away. Alright now, so as you can see here, we have an F7 unit and the GG1. Now, in my Milwaukee Road subdivision video, you may have seen that this engine started before the engine on the inner line. Now, that may make you think that I actually have two controllers. Now at this point, I actually do. But the thing is, I just did some quick little magic where I figured out that the F unit, the F7, the Union Pacific one here, started at a higher voltage. So I could simply have this one crawl to a start before I started the other one. Yeah, it's behind the caboose. So now that I actually do have two controllers, I can show that off to you now. Let's just start with the outline. And then, or I'll have it couple properly first. And I'll show you guys some shots of these running around the layout. Alright, now looking at this box here, you can see this is where I'm starting to now store some of my newer boxes that were new to me, I guess. And here you can see all of what they are. Put that upside down for you guys. Those and the review boxes, but I'm not showing you what they are yet. And so this is where I'm just going to be storing some of my boxes for now. It is just underneath the train table, and I'm just using stuff from, as you can see, or if you are clever enough to put it together. Alright, let's get on to the rest of the video now. Alright guys, that'll be just about it for this video, and I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching my first pseudo haul video, if you want to call it that. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. I'm not trying to force you here. But see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed it. And bye-bye.